Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this pretty bows. For making this bows, I have used very basic crochet stitches like chain stitches and triple crochets. So these bows can be easily done even by absolute beginners. You can make these bows either smaller or bigger as needed just by changing the hook size. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to make this bows are a 3 mm crochet hook, any type of yarn as per your choice, scissors, pearls or beads which will be sewed on the center part of the bow, thread and a needle. So let's begin. To start up with our bow, first make a magic circle. And into this magic circle, work 5 chains. So I've done with the 5 chains. Now, going inside the magic circle, work 6 triple crochets. So here I have done the 6 triple crochets. Now again work 5 chains. And slip stitch inside the magic circle. One part of the bow is done. Now we'll be repeating the same step for making the other part. So work 5 chains. Followed by 6 triple crochets inside the magic circle. Again work 5 chains. And slip stitch inside the magic circle. Now just pull the tail of the magic circle in order to close this gap. So you have pulled the tail of the magic circle tightly and close the gap. Now cut the working yarn. And going on the back part, so just pull this yarn through one of the stitches on the back part and tie knots between the 2 yarns. And cut off the excess yarn. So the bow is done. Now the final step is to sew this bead on the center part of the bow in this way. So using the thread and needle, I'll just sew this bead to the bow. So that completes our bow tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very easy. If you have any queries, please let me know through comments. So let's meet up with the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.